In this video, we will be looking at what is algebra. Algebra is used in maths when we don't know the exact value of the numbers in the calculation. Instead, we use letters like X, Y, A, and B to represent these values. For example, the area of a rectangle can be represented with the capital letter A. This is worked out by multiplying base and height, which can be represented by B times H. B is the base and H is the height. So we have A equals BH. You may see it written as this, BH without the times. This is the same thing and just means B multiplied by H.